Read Along with the PFBC is dedicated to the memory of Commissioner Enoch S. Inky Moore, Jr.
Pennsylvania League of Angling Youth, Summer 2021. Jump into Lake Ecology. Written by Adam Spangler. Edited by Spring Gerhardt. Design and illustrations by Andrea Feeney and Ted Walk. Photos by Andrea Feeney, Spring Gerhardt, and the PFBC Archives. Vocabulary. Watch for these words. Aquatic macroinvertebrates. Animals that spend part or all of their life living in water, lack a backbone, and are large enough in size to be seen with your eyes. Benthic zone. Lowest layer of the lake, including the sediment surface. Lake ecology. Study of how aquatic species interact with living and non-living parts of a lake. Lentic. Living in still, non-flowing waters. Limnetic zone. Open water area of a lake beyond the littoral zone. Littoral zone. Area close to shore where light reaches the bottom and rooted plants grow. Phytoplankton. Small living plants found in water. Precipitation. Water that falls from the clouds in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or freezing rain. Profundal zone. Deep water of a lake. Spring. A point at which water flows from the underground to the Earth's surface. Zooplankton. Small animals drifting in oceans, seas, and bodies of fresh water. Did you know that Pennsylvania has 76 natural lakes and 2,300 man-made lakes? When precipitation occurs, it needs to go somewhere. One place is a lake. A lake is an inland body of water surrounded by land. Lakes are known as lentic systems. Lakes provide habitat for animals, a source of clean water, and recreation for people. Continue reading to learn more about lake ecology, benefits and threats, and how you can help protect lakes. Lake types. How lakes form. We are going to look at two main types of lakes found in Pennsylvania: natural lakes and man-made lakes. Natural lakes. Natural lakes are lakes formed naturally from glaciers. Low areas that collect flowing water form lakes. Natural lakes also rely on precipitation, springs, or flowing water to remain full. Man-made lakes. Man-made lakes are constructed by humans. Land is flooded or carved out of lowlands. Dams are constructed to change the flow of a waterway or to create hydroelectric power. These lakes may supply drinking water. Man-made lakes are used to control flooding during heavy rains. Lake zones. Lakes come in different shapes and sizes. Let's look at the zones found in a lake. 1. Littoral zone. Light reaches the bottom of the littoral zone. Rooted plants may grow in the littoral zone. This is the zone where erosion may occur. The littoral zone provides habitat, cover, and areas for fish to spawn. 2. Limnetic zone. The limnetic zone is the open water area of a lake beyond the littoral zone. This zone receives sufficient sunlight and has plenty of oxygen. It is the main habitat for phytoplankton and zooplankton. Fish search for food in this zone. 3. Profundal zone. The profundal zone is a deep area of a lake where the sunlight cannot reach. It is vegetation free. 4. Benthic zone. The benthic zone is the lowest level or bottom of a lake. This zone includes the soil and sediment. It includes habitat for some aquatic macroinvertebrates. Learn more about plankton and aquatic insects at www.fishandboat.com/learning-center/activities and education portal/critters/pages/default.aspx. Life in the lake. Phytoplankton and aquatic plants begin the food chain in a lake. Phytoplankton and aquatic plants get energy from the sun through photosynthesis. Phytoplankton and aquatic plants then provide food and nutrients for aquatic animals. What lives in this lake? 1. Phytoplankton and zooplankton. 2. Aquatic macroinvertebrates. 3. Reptiles and amphibians. 4. Fish. Food chain. Here is an example of how energy flows through a lake food chain. Sun to phytoplankton to zooplankton to aquatic macroinvertebrates to a bluegill to a largemouth bass to an angler. Learn more about the feeding ecology of aquatic macroinvertebrates at www.fishandboat.com/learning-center/activities and education portal/critters/documents/feeding-frenzy.pdf. Benefits and threats. Lake benefits. Health benefits to society. Drinking water. Irrigation. Fish and wildlife habitat. Recreation like fishing and boating. Floodwater control. Hydroelectricity. Beautiful places to explore and watch fish and wildlife. Threats to lakes. Humans can impact lake health. Vegetation and tree removal on lakes opens up shoreline erosion. Aquatic vegetation removal removes nutrient sources and cover for animals. Aquatic invasive species, or AIS, outcompete native species. Climate change and weather events impact lake ecology and erode lake shorelines. Pollution harms lake food chains. Clean your gear. Before leaving the waterway, check for and remove any aquatic life, plants and animals, mud, and other organic debris. New Zealand mud snails are an example of aquatic invasive species. Learn more about pollution and water quality at www.fishandboat.com/transact/ angler boater / angler boater 2019 / documents / play -04 -fall -watercycle.pdf. Learn more about healthy water and aquatic ecosystems at www.fishandboat.com/learning center /activities and education portal /aquatic habitat /documents /play -2018 -water read all about it _allpages.pdf. How can you help? There are many ways to help keep Pennsylvania's lakes healthy. Lake Helper. Purchase a fishing license. Follow fishing regulations, including seasons, sizes, and creel limits. Support the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission's effort to install habitat structures. Clean your gear to prevent AIS. Leave the lake cleaner than when you arrived. Participate in a watershed or roadway cleanup. Learn more at www.keeppabeautiful.org /keep-pennsylvania-beautiful-clean-it. Learn more about Pennsylvania lakes on PFBC's interactive maps at www.fishandboat.com. Click on Locate and then Lakes. Healthy lake activity. After learning about lake ecology, healthy lakes, and food chains, help determine the food chain in this lake by circling the components of a lake food chain. Answer key. Sun, phytoplankton, zooplankton, aquatic macroinvertebrates, bluegill, largemouth bass, angler.
For more read along with the PFBC, please visit our website www.fishandboat.com.